Good morning, children. I'm Sreja. I'm handling EVS for you. This is your textbook. Okay, and we have two notebooks, two four-lined notebooks. Okay, so we can see so many things around us. Isn't it? What all the things you can see? Plants, animals, human beings, that all the things we can see. So many things we are able to see. Okay, plants are there, animals, human beings, buildings. Okay, children, what is this? A duster, isn't it? This is a duster. And I am a human being. Okay, and are you able to say any difference between me and this duster? See, I will be growing, means growing day by day, but we are not able to see. Okay, and what about this duster? Will it grow daily? Is it growing day by day? No, isn't it? So that's a specialty of this living things. Okay, this living things, no, they are only able to grow up. Okay, they are able to grow up, but the growth will be very gradual means very slow. Okay, that is, the living things will be growing slowly. Okay, but what about non-living things? Will it grow? No. And this living things, it is able to breathe means what? To take in air. We will be taking in air like this and breathing out. Okay, air. We will be taking in and out. What? Air. And then what? Yes, we will be eating food. If this duster is able to eat food, no. Then what? So, then what? We can, yes, we are playing, this human beings, we are children are playing like that, but this non-living things, they are not able to do nothing, they are not able to do anything. Okay, so in this chapter, the first chapter, we are going to discuss about living things. Okay, living things. So this living things, it will be growing slowly, but it consisting of several process or several steps. Okay, it's having several steps. That is, this plants will be growing into big plants. This plants will be seen in this picture itself. It is given in small seed. If we plant a seed, means what? If we plant a seed, it will be growing gradually, slowly it will grow and will have two or three leaves like this, and then it will be growing into a big plant. So first it will be a seed, then it will become small plant, then only it will become a big plant. Okay, then only it will become big plant. So it is a slow process. It is a slow process. This seed takes so many days to become a small plant. Okay, to come out from the soil, from the soil. Okay, and then it will become, first it will be a small plant, and then after some more days it will become a plant, big plant. Like this in the case of these animals and human beings also. These animals what? They will be growing. First of all, they will be small babies. Okay, these small babies, animals also, first they will be small babies and they will be growing up to become adult. These babies, they will gradually growing. Babies will be slowly growing up to become an adult like me. Okay. So some living things, it will lay eggs. Okay, so it will lay eggs. Some animals will lay eggs, and from these eggs small babies will be coming out and become big animals. Okay, so in this chapter you can see the picture itself. See this hen, how it is coming out. See, first eggs. By breaking these eggs, what comes out? This small chicks. Okay, the baby of hen, we call it as chicks. Chicks will be coming out and then it will become hen. Okay, and in the case of human beings, what we call the recently born babies as newborn babies. Recently born means just now born babies. They are called as what? Newborn babies. Okay, so newborn babies, just now born children, they are known as newborn babies. What's the specialty of these newborn babies? Will be very small, isn't it? They are only able to cry and they are not able to sit, walk or eat food. Okay, so they are not able to stand up, walk, like that. And then what? One more thing, they are not able to talk. Okay, important. They are not able to talk. If the newborn babies are able to talk, they will be talking like you? No, definitely not. They are not able to talk, walk or not even to sit or stand up. Okay, they are just lying on the bed. Okay, they are newborn babies. And after few weeks, they will be growing up. Okay, they will be growing up. And they will be they call them as babies. We call them as babies. Okay, these newborn babies become babies. Okay, and these babies again grow. They will be growing. Okay, we all are growing, but we can't see it. Okay, so these babies are growing to become toddlers. So toddlers means what? They are also small babies. Toddlers means they are also small babies, but they can walk, talk, eat food, but they need the help of their parents. They need the help of their parents. So only with the help of their parents they are able to walk. See, you can see, or your parents will have done like that when you are small children. Okay, so they will be holding your hands like this and make you walk. Okay, and they will be telling new words to you and make you talk. So these toddlers need help of their parents. Then only they can talk, walk and eat food also. These parents will be feeding food for the children. Okay, and then these toddlers, they will grow to become young children like you. Okay, and these toddlers will grow to become young children. So this toddlers become what? Young children like you. Okay, so you started doing some works by yourself. You will be brushing by yourself, you will be eating food, then what? Yes, so you will be, sometimes you will be writing. So writing or coloring, like that activities you will be doing by yourself. So this during this stage, young children, during this stage you will be able to do some activities. You will be able to do some activities. Okay, and next to this stage is teenage. What? Teenage. Teenage means what? See, when you are 16, 17 or 18 years old, no? 18 years old, no? Then you are in which stage? Teenage. Okay, you are in teenage. Okay, so first one is newborn babies, then newborn babies become toddlers, then toddlers grow to become young children, and then teenage, and the last one is adult. Last one is adult. So last one is adult. Adult means what? Like us. See, we are not depending on our parents. Now when you become bigger, younger, elder, when you become elder means you are not depending on your parents, isn't it? So you will become independent. What? Independent. Adult means what? They will be independent. That is, they are not depending on parents. Okay, so all these are the different stages of what? Living things of human beings, growth of human beings. Okay, once again, newborn babies, toddlers, young children, teenage and adult. These are the different stages of growth of human beings. Okay, I hope you all understood. Okay, in the next class we will meet with another topic that's about your hobbies. Okay, so we will see you in the next class. Thank you.